Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with storage in the bottom. Comes equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Here you got your power liftgate as well as your seat memory. Here you got the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle. Down to the seats, these heated and ventilated, power adjustable leather seats. Nice. Left side, you're going to have your ventilation and lighting controls. And then left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and lane keep assist. Heated steering wheel. And right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment. Pretty straightforward, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as navigation. You can also access My Chevrolet, Amazon Alexa, and Spotify, as well as your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as the mirror cams and trailer hitch. Below, you're going to have the dual zone climate controls, heated ventilated seats with 2 USB ports, an SD card reader, and a 12-volt, and a wireless charging pad just below. With trailering and all-wheel drive just above, you got the shifter, parking brake, and extra center console storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated ventilated, goes all the way across, speakers, vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. So you have these 19-inch wheels on Ironman iMove Gen 2 tires with the chrome mirror caps and paint match keyless entry door handles, luggage rail, roof rack, deep tint rear glass in the back, the chrome badging here. You also got the dual exhausts. And in the back you got the 60/40 rear folding split seats, storage at the side, extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior, you get more paneling storage next to the speaker, power window, the chrome accent again. Hop to the back. Very good legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, the rear ventilation, rear heated seating with USB ports, and an AC wall charger on the very bottom. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, as well as lane keep assist, wireless charging, navigation, roof rack, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and then we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.